nga kami kumain ng po.
With bone marrow butter, salt toasties.
Hi! Naiiyak ako sa tuwa. Oh? And here are my guests. And Dr. Aini is there, Dom and Sue is there, Catherine is there, and Lucho's there somewhere.
First course, we offered you our appetizer board. It is something na medyo filling, but all of the recipes, all of the things that you tasted on those, na-enjoy naman natin itong mga chef's night natin. So Giselle, please run down our items again.
For the board, chef, okay na po lahat. Complete na.
Thank you, thank you! Come in, come in!
Merry Christmas! Ito yung date ko eh.
Hi! Hello!
Oo nga, si Buling.
Congratulations, Ben. I'm so proud of you.
Oo nga pala, congratulations.
Thank you, Kuya.
Hindi nga kami kumain ng po.
With bone marrow butter, with salt toasties.
Hello.
Congratulations!
Yes.
Congratulations!
Yes, we're here.
I am now on my second seating for my last chef's night for the year. Hi! Naiiyak ako sa tuwa. Oh? My cast members are here. Hello, everyone! There's Reason. They are my cast member, my babies. Sila ang the people behind every chef's night.
Puso.
Ang puso ng Angridobo, sila ang pumoprotekta. So we are on our last chef's night for the year, and hindi to possible if it weren't for them. And here are my guests for this year. There's Ram. There's Ram. Hi, Ram. And Dr. Aini is there. Dom and Sue is there. Catherine is there. And Lucho's there somewhere. And we have lots of organic guests. Meron pa kaming guests na galing ng Cagayan de Oro only for the chef's night. At yung group niya na galing pa ng London. Pili ko naman hindi dahil sa chef's night, but ito yung plinano nila, so I'm just so touched. Pero syempre, panoorin niyo po ang Espantaon sa December 25. Merry Christmas! Tignan natin mamaya kung ano pang energy ko after nito. Pero, masaya-masaya ako. Angry!
It's yun nga, since I handle Matcha Tokyo, parang Filipino and then Matcha Tokyo, kaya inipit siya. So, there's matcha sponge and matcha custard, and then there's black sesame polvoron. Yes. Tapos 3 leches.
Oh,
using your
nice.
matcha.
This is Ninma Matcha.
Yes, Ninma
Yes. Hi! Kinilig kami na Ninma Matcha pala.
Of course.
Thank you.
Wala kami makuha ang matcha. Sabi ko, meron akong isang grapo ng matcha ni Min.
Perfect.
Hindi ko na binalik.
Iniwan ko na dito.
Kayo siya nasarapan siya yun.
Last night, Best Actress Miss Lola Tolentino at ang Prime Superstar, Miss Julian Santos! 4 days salamat po at sabay-sabay tayong manood, pasigawan at mag-iyakan sa 20th year movie ng Quantum Films, ang Espantaho. Written by Direk Chris Martinez and directed by none other than Direk Chito S.
Happy birthday, Lola Tolentino!
Ayun po, kasama natin ngayon ang cast ng Espantaho Sermon. Meron ka bang message sa mga fan? Yes! Maraming salamat! Ayan po, the film is written by Direk Chris Martinez and of course directed by Master Storyteller Direk Chito S. Ronyo. So kayo po patutulog na lang. Hanapin niyo po siya.
Nasaan ako?
Hanapin niyo po si Juday.
Hindi ako nakikita, pero nakikita ko kayo.
Nasa...
Nakakapag-tiis buhay.
Ayan na po, Miss Claudia Santos! Last lang, Best Actress, Miss Lorna Tolentino, and Prime Superstar, Miss Judy Ann Santos!
Of course, directed by none other than Chito S. Ronnie. Thank you, thank you!
Yes, Pantaho! At bago tayo umalis, merong hatid sa inyo ang MMFF Executive Committee and Philippine Postal Corporation. Tawagin natin sila, attorney artist. Pinapumulaan siyempre ni attorney artist, kasama ating mga executives, attorney Ona. Nandyan din siyempre ang ating mga